up, man?
This is my camera. My chocolate. All right, hello everyone. This is the start of the vlog. Headed to Curacao, Curacao. Okay, we're in the shuttle heading to the airport. Where are we going?
Curacao.
Curacao. What time is it?
8:43.
Our flight leaves at 9:30. I may not vlog most of the flight and stuff because I will be sleeping. I guess I will see you when we are in. Where are we going again?
Blue carousel.
Yep.
Carousel. Curacao.
Carousel.
Chorizo.
Chorizo. Not chorizo. Meg.
Yeah.
Freestyle.
Where?
What's his name?
I don't know. What?
It is 10 o'clock. What time did we land? Like 5? It's already been 5 hours? If you were wondering what my view is right now, it's this. And this.
Do this. It's hard. You can feel everything pop.
That's okay. Oh, God. What the fuck? You got an animal in there. I thought our layover was 3 hours. It was definitely 7. We're almost to Curacao, Cadillac. TikTok. So today is his first time using wireless headphones. He's having a great time. We are on survival mode 22. What time is it?
Time for you to get lunch.
Shut up.
Game on.
The goods. Welcome. Come on in.
Smile at the rising sun. 3 little bugs. Alright, welcome to the bat cave. You guys see the bats?
Yeah.
There's one right above you. Don't move.
No, there's not.
Right there.
Shut up.
So those bats, they won't bite.
You nasty.
I'm scared of that.
Holy shit.
Just jumped in the ocean. Pants are wet. Shoes on. Pants on in the water. Saw a turtle. A few. What's the turtle's name on Eagle?
No see. So we just got back from ATVs today. Hair is crazy, but this was our first full day here. Oh my god, I need to move. We started ATVing at 9 and then we ended around like 4. So it was like the whole day, and then we went to the grocery store and got some snacks. You gotta get in farther. Look at her cute jammies. Her cute jammers.
Only like $8.
$8 for the whole set?
Yeah.
Tomorrow we
Do not.
Bro. Tyler is gonna be just the whole vlog because I'm getting a ton of videos of him just being a nut. No. Okay, anyways. Stop.
He's like, so we'll end that there.
Catch you guys later. So let's see you sip it. Oh yeah.
Alright, I can't see anything on my screen, but we are spending the, wow, I'm so sunburnt.
Dude! What are we doing today?
What are you telling me this is not defined? Look at that. It's a horseshoe right there.
Dad is fitted. Get that thing. It's down here.
Way up high.
Not the country tent coming in.
Red roses too. I see it through.
Oh my god, my abs hurt. Now do that song in high.
What song?
Baby drums.
Maybe drop them lights and turn them lights down low.
Maybe drop them lights and turn them lights down low.
I don't know how to go. And then she can find old bear.
Walking on what was the ocean floor. So all of these like jagged rocks and stuff was all coral. Isn't that so sad? We even saw a crab that was dead. His little body was in a shell, so I buried him. R.I.P. What's going on? Got some souvenirs. And this soda is fire. Best watermelon ever.
say, hey everyone, it's our last day here in Curacao, heading home.
Hey everyone, it's our last day in Curacao and we're heading home.
Why did you sound like
Hey everyone.
Why are you singing? Hey everyone. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hey everyone.
Wow, my braids look real nice. Well,
The raccoon with us on this.
shut up. Don't really want to go home, but
Why you been crying for your mom this whole trip?
bye, Curacao.
What?
That one just came out. I didn't even think about it. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching.
Peace out, Carousel.
Peace and love.
Get out of my way.
His backpack is the size of him. So we found these spicy cheese balls in Curacao at the grocery store and they were so good. We went back and bought more and Tyler was like, oh, I'm gonna buy more like before we leave. I'm at the airport and he comes up and is like, bro, guess what I found? Full of his bag, 9 of them.
I got free M&Ms.